What's up, guys? I want to give you my stock market outlook for this week coming up. Be January 19th, starting on Tuesday, shorter week. I'm going to do it stock by stock, each stock being their own videos probably, just because I think it'll be easier than trying to change the page. This first one will be starting with Full House Resorts, and I am just going to keep the video on the computer screen for now. I am still kind of a noob with doing videos and stuff, and I don't quite have it set up yet, and I actually just moved, so I don't have a great setup yet. So for now, I'm just going to keep it on the computer screen, but as I do these videos, I'm going to do them every week and continue to do them and give you guys my outlooks. Definitely going into the weeks on Sunday and probably a lot on during the week. What I had thought, and I'm sure as this goes on, I'll probably pick up with the videos. And I'll also talk about crypto and options and give a full insight on just whatever I'm advocating. But of course, I take no responsibility for any losses. You trade at your own risk, of course. So anyway, without further ado, let's get into Full House Resorts. I do like this stock going into this week. Ticker is FLL. What I'm looking at is as it making this run upward, it's showing a lot of momentum the whole way. Looking closer to the point where I hear we do get a pullback, which is pretty normal, and catches down to here after a really strong run here. A lot of taking momentum or taking profits up here and come down to here. But what I like to see is that we instantly are back at this level, really strong too, with nice green candles, or in this case, I guess they're blue candles, coming right back up to that level pretty instantly, which shows a lot of momentum. And then when you get this pullback here and you catch not too far down right here, again, it just confirms the momentum you had. You kind of stutter at this at the same level that it rejected at, which is pretty normal, and then it's ready to blow past. So all these were real obvious signs of the momentum continuing. It's not showing signs of losing steam or changing direction at all. And when it comes up here, it is normal that it would, and actually really bullish that it's that it kind of takes a little pause right here, because we are getting to levels higher than where it had just gotten rejected. And you get this little bit that brings you down to this level that had been rejected, that we just got past. And now look, 3 real strong going up. So I'm real confident that it'll break past this point right here and put it closer to the mid $4 range at least. But I will just be monitoring the situation as it unfolds. But I would anticipate that you may get a little bit of a settling here, just like you did here, or here would be a better example. Just like you got a settling here and then you busted higher, I could see maybe a settling here, but maybe not. And probably going to push higher. I would say, I would look for maybe close to a 10% gain on this one. So anyways, I'm going to end this video, keep it short, sweet, and I will be making a next video on the next stock that I like. I've got a list of them, or some that I don't like, but I'm going to be able to make a play on them either way, especially if you can trade puts as options. But here's a little bit of a better look at the more long-term. This is your pre-COVID level. So this spot where it was getting rejected was, and pausing, was pretty much around pre-COVID level. It had been higher before that. And, I think the, this is like kind of the gaming industry, and they own some casinos and whatever. So, and I think that industry is going to come back, and I think it's going to come back pretty well. You're going to have to think about inflation and a lot of money being pumped around. I'd say, the casino will get their fair share of that. And with the vaccine coming out and everything, they should be. I think their business should, be kind of looking fairly optimistic. So, anyways, I'll see you guys on the next video. Some of the other ones I'm going to talk about are going to be, well, there's a bunch of them: Nicola and Wendy's and McDonald's. I mean, there's a bunch I'm going to talk about for going into this week. So, I'll see you guys on the next video.